Welcome to eCreators Computer Institute. Let's invest your precious time. Yeah, we are on a journey of Tele. So, congratulations, we have created our company, that is eCreators Computer Institute on Teleprime. So you can see here there is something written on that: company, data, exchange, import, go to, export, email. What is that all? We will do one by one. So let's start with the company. As in this, you can see here there is something written before company, that is symbol K and with the single underline. That means if you want to go to that company and you want to see the feature of that company, then what you will press, you will press alt plus K. Okay, that means obviously you can go directly with the mouse, but whenever you use that keyboard, that means you have on a, yes, that means you must have good command on shortcut keys, and this is only a method to increase your speed whenever you will use that any kind of software. So we are on Tele, so we will talk about the Tele software. So let's press alt plus K. Yes, now everything you can see here, that is create. Create means you will be able to create company directly from here. I have just pressed enter. Now you can see it's the same window which we have in our last video, in which we have learned about the creation of company. So I'm pressing escape button to exit. So now alter. So whenever alter word comes, the thing is in our mind exists, it must be some changes which we can do. Okay, alter, press. So this is our company which we have created. So if you want to do any kind of changes, then you can do here. See, if my cursor can move, that means I can do changes. Like if I am here, that I just want to add on Ayodhya Chowk. Okay, in Rohini sector 3, yes, correct. And in India it's in Delhi. The number is 9355606036. Okay, right. So still I don't want to do any kind of changes. Yes, if you want to do any kind of changes, then you can do it. I'm just accepting by control plus A. Okay, now again the company feature. Now again change. We have already altered our company. Now again change feature. What does it mean? See, if I have change and alter as well, so there is something that they have different meaning. Alteration means you can do your company alteration, anything if you want to do changes in your company whenever you whatever you have created. And the change means, let me show you. Before change, I just want to show you the select. Select means I am selecting another company with, like, okay, I have with E3. Okay, so now you can see here we have two companies open. One is eCre and second is eCreators Computer Institute. But if you can see here, whatever is here, eCre, that means this company is active company. If you do any kind of transactions, any kind of ledger creation, any kind of stock creation, whatever you do in Gateway of Tele, it will be occur in this company because this is active company. Yes, if you want to change that, company is open, but I want to change my activation of company, I want to activate my this company, so this will change as this. So I think this criteria is clear. What's the difference between alter and change here? Alter means do the alteration of company whichever you have created, and change means change the activation of company, which company is activated if here is two company or more than two companies opened. Okay, so now I have opened two companies. I just want to shut my one company. So you can shut it by pressing Ctrl plus F3 or by visiting step by step. So I am closing my company, shutting my company, that is E3. Okay, I am selected. I have selected it and press the enter. So we have now opened with one company, that is eCreator Computer Institute. Okay, so connect remote access, what does it mean? Whenever you want to do your system, your tele with another system, like I am working on this system but I want to remotely access all the tele concept in my another system as well. So what we will do, we will press remote access and we will be able to connect our system to another system. For that we must have internet connection, and see, you can see here it's in redirecting, and this will now you must have the telnet ID and password, and it is possible in your actual tele. If you have that ID and password, then you can put here and you will automatically connect with another system. If you will share that ID and password to another computer, so you will be redirected, remotely connected. Okay, now features, we have done the features. Or if you want to access in between the features, like if between the transaction, if you want to access feature, you will have to press F11. Okay, and this is the features. Security televault password we have done, like if you want to put the televault password, and if you have put and but you want to change the televault password, then you can change it from here only. Okay, by putting the old password and new password. Now we are on the data feature. On data feature, if you want to keep backup of your company data and you want to restore your backup data, we will do it in next video. If you want to see it, then please subscribe on my channel and like my video. If you have any kind of query, then please comment on this.